Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Elainone long sleeve polo shirt for men. This is a nice golf polo shirt with breathable and stretchable wrinkle sleeve classic men's polo shirt. Oi, oi, oi. I told you, a long sleeve for office and leisure. It's on the market in different colors available, like sky blue, like navy blue, like olive green, like the red version of it, white, and shown here black. The size can be M, L, extra large, or extra large. The guy here is extra large with 180 centimeter height and 110 plus kilogram. High quality six-piqué materials, long sleeve polo shirts made of 100% of polyester. Durable, dimensionally stable, and pleasant on our skin. And a polo shirt, or a tennis shirt, or a golf shirt, or a checker shirt is a form of shirt with a collar. A polo shirt are usually short-sleeved but can be long, as shown here. Polo shirts are usually used by polo players originally in British India in 1859 and in Great Britain and during the 1920s. The polo shirts are usually made of knitting cotton rather than woven cloth, usually a plique knit, or less commonly an interlock knit. The latter used regularly through not exclusively with the primary cotton polos, or used in the fibers such as silks, wool, synthetic fibers. In this case here, it's synthetic fibers, or blends of natural and synthetic fibers. A dress-length version of the shirt is called by polo dress. In the 19th and early 20th century, the tennis players ordinarily wore tennis whites, consisting of long-sleeved, with a button-up shirts, one with a sleeve roller up, then trousers and ties. This set represented problems for ease of play and comfort. And there it comes, René Lacoste, the French 7-time Grand Slam tennis champion, felt that the stiff of the tennis attire was too cumbersome and uncomfortable. He designed a white short-sleeved shirt of a loosely knit plique cotton. And of course, he called the cotton woven jersey padded piqué, with an unstarched flat producing collar, a button blacked, and a shirt tail long in the back than in the front. Now today's the tennis tail, which is the first wore in 1926 US Open Championship. And here it comes to you in a long version. Comfortable fit with stretch. The men's polo shirts and long sleeve offers an optimal freedom for movement thanks to the elastic content, perfect for everyday life, work, and leisure. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.